All right, this is going to be a review of the Libra 3,500 pound capacity tongue jack that we put on our RV a couple of years ago. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it and how well it's worked and how easy it was to actually mount. So, hey, let's get right to it. Installing the power tongue jack is easy. To remove the old jack, simply take out 3 screws or bolts, remove the jack, put the new jack in, put 3 bolts back in, connect up 1 wire, and you're done. If I had to give this a grade on ease of installation and how well it works, I'd give it an A+. I think this thing was a really good purchase, and my wife, who always did all the cranking, probably thinks so too.